In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start class 10th Mathematics Science Group, exercise 7.5. Let's see exercise 7.5, question number 1. Find the angle of elevation of the sun if a 6 feet man casts a 3.5 shadow. Before starting this exercise, we will discuss its important concept. Anti-clockwise rotation having positive measures. You know that OB, that is the initial side. Now you have to make angle from O to A, from down to up, that is known as terminal side, and the angle we construct, that is known as angle of elevation. इसकी आसान सी एग्जांपल इस तरह से दी जा सकती है। फॉर एग्जांपल आप नीचे खड़े हों और सन की तरफ देखें, हमारी निगाहों का जाविया जो है वो नीचे से ऊपर की तरफ जा रहा है, ठीक है, तो इसको हम एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन कहेंगे। अब एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन किस तरह से हम फाइंड कर सकते हैं, ये हम एक्सरसाइज 7.5 में देखेंगे। और एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन को हम रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं थीटा से। लेट्स सी द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 7.5 क्लास 10th. Now, first of all, you have to draw here sun. That is the sun, and that is the man. Its height is 6 feet. Shadow will become on earth on base, so it means 3.5. Now you are going to find the angle of elevation of the sun. That is the sun. So शेडो से सन तक आपने इसका एंगल फाइंड करना है। सो एंगल ए बी, सो थीटा, इट इज़ रिप्रेजेंट बाय थीटा। थीटा यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट हियर। बी सी इज बेस, ए सी इज द हाइट, एंड ए बी इज द हाइपोटेनस. So that is the right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, one angle equals to 90 degree. First of all, you have to observe that what will be given here. Height of a man equals to 6 feet. Man casts shadow equals to 3.5 feet. That is known as P. Perpendicular, that is known as base B. Now you have to find out here angle of elevation theta. Now here 6 trigonometric ratios are given here. You know that sin theta equals to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Now cos theta equals to base by hypotenuse, and tangent theta equals to perpendicular by base. Now you have to observe from the diagram what will be given here. Let's see, this is the perpendicular and this is the base. It means perpendicular and base is given here. So you have to search formula perpendicular by base. It belongs to tangent theta. So tangent theta equals to perpendicular by base. So you have to apply this formula. So tangent theta equals to P by B. So you have to put the value here. Tangent theta written as it is. Now P here is 6 feet and base here is 3.5 feet. So you have to divide 6 by 3.5, feet cancel with feet. So tangent theta equals to 1.714. Now here you have to find the value of theta. So tangent shift on other side, then it becomes tangent inverse, 1.714. So you are going to now about tangent inverse. So you have to press the button of shift, then tangent, then it becomes tangent inverse. Now write the value 1.714. Now press the sign of equal, then 59.73. Now its answer is theta equals to 59.73 degree. At the end of this question, so you have to write the answer statement. So angle of elevation is 59.73 degree. Let's see, we will start question number 3. A 20 feet long ladder is leaning against a wall. The bottom of ladder is 5 feet from the base of the wall. Find acute angle of elevation. Now first of all, you will see that height of ladder you have to find out here. Now that is the ladder and that is the base, equals to 5 feet. 5 feet. Now The height of ladder is 20 feet and angle of elevation you have to find out here, which makes with the ground. So hypotenuse and base is given here. That is hypotenuse, that is base. So cos theta equals to base by hypotenuse. It means that formula you have to apply here. Now put the value here, cos theta as it is, base here 5 feet and hypotenuse here 20 feet. Feet cancel with feet. Now cos theta equals to, so you have to divide 5 with 20, so it will be equals to 0.25. Now theta you are going to find out here, cos shift on other side, then it become inverse 0.25. So you have to find inverse of cos, so it will be equals to theta equals to 75.52 degree. So write the answer statement here. So the angle of elevation will be 75.52 degree, which the ladder makes with the ground. Now we will solve question number 4 of exercise 7.5 class 10. The base of a rectangle is 25 feet. So that is the base. Now height of the rectangle is 13 feet. So you are going to find that the diagonal of the rectangle makes with the base. You are going to find the angle that the diagonal of the rectangle makes with the base. That is the rectangle, so you will draw its diagonal. You have to join these two corner points, that will be the diagonal. So diagonal makes angle with base, that is known as theta. Base of rectangle is 25 feet and height of the rectangle is 13 feet. So here you have to find angle of elevation, means to say theta you are going to find out here. Now check that perpendicular and base is given here, so you have to apply here formula same as tangent theta equals to perpendicular by base. So tangent theta equals to 13 feet divided by 25 feet. Now feet cancel with feet, so you have to divide 13 by 25. You have to get 27.47. Now you are going to find out here theta. That is the exact answer. So first of all you have to divide 13 by 25. So it will be equals to, मैंने यहाँ पे पूरा टोटल आंसर लिख दिया था, 0.52. Now you are going to find out here theta, so tangent shift on other side, then it becomes inverse 0.52. Now you have to find inverse here. So theta equals to 27.47 degree. So theta equals to 27.47 degrees. So you can write the answer statement at the end of this question. The angle that the diagonal of the rectangle makes with the base is 27.47 degree. So I hope that you have to understand question number 1, 3 and 4 of exercise 7.5 class 10th. Subscribe my channel, also like my video and share with your friends, and also click on bell icon so that you have to get updates about new videos. So Allah Hafiz.